here today to make a bunch of junk. Oh look, I think I found something down there. Maybe I should go check it out. Can you see it? Huh? It's something black. I should go get it. Ew! Okay. Just maybe it's up! Okay. Now I just found it. Oh, I don't have goggles though. Have you goggles? I need it. Why not?
I don't have any.
Stop that! I shall go down there and get it. You after I get that. What the heck? That was dumb. Please stop spitting. Okay, so let's try to find something over here. Da 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 da. Ah, it feels so good. You can also skip your hand like this, see? If you're not just doing this, look. You can do this, see, look. It skips. Oh my god, why is it skipping? Okay. That's, I'm gonna go onto the alligator again. Bring me the alligator, please. Yay! Thanks! Stop it. Yeah. Actually, I can ride it. Oh, just jump on it. Oh God! Now that's just insane. Let's try that again. This video is called Alligator Fails 2. See at the top, see, look. Yeah, Alligator Fails 2. See, look at it. Look. Well, you can see the sky right now, but on YouTube, you can see it. Look up there, children. Oh. Now let's try that again. I should go in this. Non backwards now. 1, 2, 3. Oh! God. Let me try that again. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Again. Do you know how to do slow motion and fast motion? Do you? No. What? Oh! Second? Hey, it's whatever. This thing hurts your balls anyways. I can try it again. I'll do it. Da 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 da. Da da da. Oh! Ah! Alligator Fails 2. Up there, people. Up. No, not you, cameraman. Up. No. Up. There. Now. No.
There's stuff in my teeth.
Now, let's see that again in slow motion. Hey! Let's see that again in slow motion. Now, just look at my fingers. Look at it. I made it almost to that. Oh! Now, Ew, bird feather. Now I'm going to do another alligator fail in slow-mo. Shit. What? Okay, that was obviously a failing of slow motion. Let's watch that again, shall we? Yes, we shall. Let's watch it even slower mode. Shall we? Yes, we shall. Up! No, now you come, man. Besides, Seth, your pants are dirty now. Look! Whoa. I forgot.
Goodbye.
Okay, that's it for now, folks. See you next time on Alligator Fails 3.